Hello and welcome. Today we will launch one EC2 instance. For that we'll go to service EC2. It stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Right now I'm having 0 running instances, so I'll launch one instance. Here are my AMIs. So I'm having a bunch of flavors here. These are free tier eligible. I am launching one Linux AMI. I am having even Red Hat, Microsoft. So here is my Amazon Linux AMI, and the type is T2 Micro, and I configure the instance. Here is number of instances are 1 for free purpose. We don't need any purchasing option, and network is default VPC. Subnets are my availability zone. So currently in Seoul region there are 2 availability zones, so it's showing 2 subnets, and IAM role I am selecting none. Shutdown behavior is when I stop my OS, so my instance will be stopped or it will get terminated. Here I can enable my termination protection by clicking on this option. I can even monitor it in per minute duration, and I can see it in CloudWatch. Tenancy, right now I'm using shared, but I can use dedicated for my hardware instances also, and additional charges will apply for it. In advanced detail, I can give any bootstrap scripts to download Apache software, server, anything. And here is in the next my add storage. My volume type is root, where my OS will be installed. The default size is 8 GB, and in general purpose I am having default 103,000 IOPS, where in provisioned I can change it, customize the IOPS. Here I can add new volumes, and right now we are only using root. So next is my key. Here I can give name of the server or employee ID, team name, anything I want to give. Linux latest, and I can configure my security groups. These are virtual firewalls. Here I can add my rules if I want to host websites, so I can give HTTPS permissions, and I can restrict it to my IP or some other IP for security purpose, and I can go to review and launch. Here I'm launching my server, so I can use my existing Keypair, and I can create a new one. Let's say the next latest. I am downloading my Keypair. It's in PAM format, and I'm launching my instance. And Linux does not support PAM, so we'll create it to PPK. Here I'm copying the public IP, and I'm going to put the gen. Here I'm loading my PAM file and convert it to my PPK file. So this is my Linux latest PAM file, and here I'll save the private key as, let's say, Linux latest, and I've saved it. Now I can check my Linux instance using putty. So I copy my public IP here, and here's my Linux latest PPK file. So this is my Linux console, and I can log in here as EC2 user for Ubuntu. This is Ubuntu, and here is my file. I can create any file or any operation I want to do in it. So right now I can see my file and any operation I want to do in it. So yeah, here it's working fine. Thank you so much.